focus on any particular bottom layer piece, I'm going to choose this one, which has red and green on it, but it doesn't matter which one you pick. Then try and solve the corner that goes directly above it. So we're going to turn the top layer until we see red and green. And it's this one. This one has yellow, red, and green. Now we're going to check every other piece on the top and see if they're in the correct spot and count how many we have. So here we have red, blue, and this one's red, blue, so this one's correct. Blue, orange, not blue, orange, so this one's incorrect. Green, orange, not green, orange, so this one's also incorrect. So in this case, we happen to have two that are in the right spot. So your goal for this step is to get all four in the correct spot. If they all were in the right spot already, then you're done this step. But if you cannot get all four in the correct spot, then you only want one in the correct spot, not two like I have here. So for example, in this one, I could just do another turn instead, and we find that only this one is in the correct spot, and every other one is in the wrong spot. So this is good. Now, sometimes you won't be able to get all four, and you won't be able to get only one. In that case, you'll just do what I'm about to show from anywhere. But if you only get one in the correct spot, then you want to hold it on the front right like this. Next, what you do is this algorithm that's quite easy to memorize because it has a nice pattern to it. So turn the top with your right hand, turn the right side up. Now, repeat this with your left hand. Top with your left hand, left side up. Now, the exact same thing, but all downwards this time. So top with your right hand, right side down, top with your left hand, left side down. So once you've done this one should still be in the correct spot, but every other one should have moved. So check if they're in the right spot, and if they're not, so that means we're just going to repeat it again. Top with your right, right side up, top with left, left side up, then all down, top with right, right side down, top with left, left side down. And now we check them all again, and they're all in the correct spot. So what we do is see that, okay, all the top pieces have yellow on them here, which means yellow is what goes on the top here. So what we're going to do is turn it upside down and hold any unsolved piece here at the bottom right. And so we're going to repeat the four moves that I showed in the beginning until the yellow here faces the bottom. So I'm going to do it once like this, twice, three times, four times, and there we go. Now once this one is solved, we're going to go on to the next corner, but instead of just rotating the whole cube to go to the next corner, this will mess up your whole cube. So instead, we're just going to stay facing the same side, but then turn the bottom only to grab the next corner over. Then we're going to repeat until this corner is solved. There we go, it's solved, and then we're going to move on to the next one, and repeat. And there it is, and that's the whole thing.